What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ Favorite. In today's video, guys, we do have another price update, price prediction on Waves, which is still pumping up in value, guys. As you can see, it's gone up 64% in the last 24 hours, making it $9.16. So I did make a video on it yesterday when it was pumping up, and then it had a little drop here, as you can see, and right now pumping back up in value. So what is going on with this crypto? Why is it pumping so much? Is it a good time to buy? Is it a good time to sell, or should you just hold on to it? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video and looking at. Is Waves a good investment for both short-term and long-term investors, and what my predictions are over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, how far can Waves go? So before I go any further, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, in the last hour itself, managed to gain over 7% in value. Again, 7% may not seem like a lot, but when it's just within 1 hour, 7%, trust me guys, it is a huge amount. Over the last day, 65%, even though we saw a little dip here very early this morning, it is overall started to go back up in value. It all started about 24 hours ago. It was worth about $5.55, and right now nearly double its value. Over the week, 63% up. As you can see, we saw a little dip here late last week, and then right now pumping up in value. And over the month is an overall 28% up, as usual, because of the crypto crash that took place about two and a half weeks ago. The whole if you look at the monthly chart on most cryptos, they are down. So going into the CoinMarketCap website now, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by nearly 500%, guys, making over $4 billion. So a huge amount of money has been traded on Waves over the last 24 hours. A lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto. As you can see here, is a good time to sell it, especially if you bought it very low. But however, again, if you're investing into it right now, I would say it's quite of a risky time, only because it's done so much percentage increase in the last 24 hours. As you can see, 65%, it can drop anytime. But let's get straight into it and see what is next for Waves. So on the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm going to hide it, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So as you can see, we've also got the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart, which is currently valuing Waves at $6.27. However, it is trading at a much higher value at over $9, meaning it's performing much better than expected, and we're way overvalued at the moment. So what I'm going to do now is zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. So again, as previously mentioned plenty of times in most of my videos, guys, whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, just like this one here, it has to drop back down in value. It has to take a little breather, and the exact same applies to Waves. I am expecting it to slightly take a step back. We've already seen it here. As you can see, early this morning it did take a little drop. However, it's recovering again and going back up in value. So over the next few hours, we are going to see red candles from my predictions anyways. As you can see, we've got the orange line looking a little bit bearish, slanting towards a negative direction, and the blue line is literally flat out going in a straight line. So an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected towards the end of the day. We are going to see dips, we are going to see peaks. It's going to be quite of a mixed chart. It's going to be quite volatile over the next couple of hours, but the overall outcome more or less is going to be fluctuating around between $8.50 to $9 as of right now. These are my predictions, but again, there may be any updates or any major news that come across today or anytime soon that can have a potential impact on the value of Waves. Anything like that, I will make sure to keep you guys updated. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So moving on to the hourly chart, as you can see here, we've got the blue line and the orange line just about going towards the bearish direction. It's not looking very clear. Again, it's not too steep. It does look like they are going in a straight line, but guys, if you look very closely, we can see they are going slightly slanting towards a negative direction. So an overall drop in value is expected towards the end of this week, so over the next few days. But it doesn't mean it's going to have a complete drop in value or anything like that. It's going to be very minimal. We are going to see green days, we are going to see red days, but the overall outcome just about seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So again, it's not like it's going to completely drop in value or anything like that. Moving on to the daily chart. Next couple of weeks now we are looking quite bullish, opposite to the previous one. We've got the blue line and the orange line going in a bullish direction, and we can clearly see that they are going in a positive direction. So in this case, let's say by mid-July to late July, we should expect an overall increase in value on Waves, potentially going above the $15 to $20 mark. But again, we'll still got about 6-7 weeks for that, but obviously I will keep you guys updated in between those times. You guys have requested for regular updates on Waves, which is what I'm trying to do at the moment. So make sure you turn on the bell notifications and subscribe to the channel to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, over the long run, at the moment it is looking quite good. However, if you are looking to invest, personally I would wait for it to take a slight drop in value and then invest into it for the long run when it does go up in value over the coming months. So now that we've done our price prediction, I'm going to get rid of the MACD indicator and bring out the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. But before I do that, just a little announcement for you guys. If any of you guys are interested in what cryptos I'm buying, what cryptos I'm selling, and want daily price updates and predictions on Bitcoin every single morning, sometimes even twice a day, all you need to do is click on the link in the description box down below to join my Telegram group chat, which is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, and over half the spaces have already gone, so there is literally a limited amount of space left, and after that it will increase to $29.99. But don't worry guys, for the first 100 members that join for $14.99, it will stay at that price for as long as you stay a member. But yeah, what does that include? So what I'm going to be showing you guys is what cryptos I'm buying and selling. I give you guys why I'm buying it and what I think is a sustainable project for the long run, and I also show you guys daily price updates and predictions on cryptos like Bitcoin on a daily basis to show you guys what to expect that day, positive, negative, because most cryptos follow a similar pattern to Bitcoin anyway. And also answer some of your questions, any queries you guys may have. Like someone here has asked me, can you give us the Solana and Ethereum analysis, and which I have done, but obviously this is a screenshot so I can't really scroll down. But yeah, that is basically what you get for $14.99 a month. Any questions, any queries you guys may have, just send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. If not, as mentioned, the link is in the description box down below, ready for you guys to sign up. So back to Waves. So as you can see, we are in the red zone, but we are slowly starting to head up into, no, I'm not saying the green zone. For us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit at least about $16, which is near about double its value at the moment, which I'm not expecting. However, what I'm expecting is us to, over the next couple of weeks, slowly start to head towards the green zone, and it's going to resist. Once it does hit about the blue line, as you can see here, $16 line, is going to try and resist. Even previously here, when it tried to hit that, it didn't go past it because it resisted and then dropped back down in value. So there is going to be a slight resistance, but I am expecting us to break out at this point and potentially go towards the $20 mark by mid to late July. But yeah, these are my predictions and my takes on Waves, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and also a massive thank you and a massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing to the channel. And as promised, the 50k subscriber giveaway is now live. I will be picking the winners this Friday. The link to that, the 50k subscriber video is in the link in the description box down below. Make sure you go check that out if you guys want to be one of the 9 lucky winners that are going to be winning cryptocurrencies this Friday. And it is also live on my Instagram as well, so make sure you go check out my Instagram if you guys want to get involved. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.